Hello, I'm Hannah. I'm from CS department. I've come here to demonstrate on the program of dynamic routing with the RIP version of 1 and 2. Uh, like normally, the difference between static and the dynamic routing is static is done manually, and the dynamic protocol will select the best path. And static will sometimes will fail the administration to change, but in this dynamic, the path that means the failure occurs only if the path is not need to be administrated. And then the configuration is very simple in static, and in dynamic the configuration will be a bit complex, and we have two versions in dynamic. One is RIP and one is RIP version 2. And now in this I have connected all the routers parallelly, and then I've connected n devices along with the switch for each and every single router, and then I've assigned each and everything with an IP address. And this is with a series of 1, this is with a series of 3, and this is with a series of and this is with a series of 5. And now I have even given them the subnetting mask and the default gateway. And now and now let's see the commands that we have to give for the RIP configuration. For the version 1 in this router, we have to go to the CLI and we have to give the commands like the same en enable and config t. Inside the config t, we have to give the router, that is RIP. We have to give the network address, that is the source, and we have to give the network address of the destination too. And similarly, even the version 2 can be done. In version 2, we have to go to the same router and we have to give the CLI. It's the same command as router, RIP and all, but we have to mention the next line as version 2, and same the network source and the network destination can be given. And now let's see the output of this. So I'm going to the simulation mode, and let me give a packet that is from this 3-point series to a 5-point series. Now let's capture. It's coming to the switch and to the router and to the next router, the switch, and now it's going back. So that's all. Similarly, like even the version 2 is the same, but only the command line called version 2 will be added, but the same output will be given, that the packet will come from the source and to the destination. So like this is the end of the dynamic routing this is the end of the dynamic routing. Thank you.